Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 13, and I hope you might have watched from lesson number 1 till lesson number 12. Today we will learn adverb of time, adverb of place. So adverb of times and adverb of place. Before I begin, I would like to inform you, if anyone wants to read and write Arabic, I made foundation course. You can visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class, and you can get all my 18 video lessons on reading, writing Arabic. You can get it easily, and you can learn yourself how to read and how to write Arabic easily. And also, I would like to inform you, if anyone wants to speak Arabic, he wants to start speaking Arabic, also can visit my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class, and get all videos on spoken Arabic series in playlist. So you can find all videos in playlist. Okay. And I would like to request you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. Adverb of time and place. So today's we will learn adverb of time, adverb of time and place, and place. Okay, so first I start. Very common word is before. Okay, it's a ghabal. Ghabal means before. Okay, before. Okay, and bad. Bad means after. After. And baden. Okay, baden means later. Okay, and badan. Badan means then. Now remember, ghabal before, bad after, baden later, badan then. Okay, these are adverb of time. Okay, now use it. Now let's use in sentence. Suppose before you. So how to say before you? Before you. You can say ba. Before you can say ghabal, ghaba, ghabalak, ghabalak, ghabalak before you, ghabalak. Okay. Use a sentence. I am before you. I am before you. I am before you. You can say ana ghabalak. Ana ghabalak. I am before you. Okay. Now bad. Bad. After you. After you can say badak. Okay. After me, badi. Okay. Now make a sentence. You are after me. Okay. You are after me. Anta badi. Anta badi. Anta badi. You are after me. Anta badi. You are after me. Okay. Now next. And you can also use informal way. Suppose after you you can say informal, bad anta, informal way, right? Bad anta, informal way, or you can say badak, formal way. So bad anta, informal way after you, and badak, formal you after you. Okay, so you can use informal and formal. Okay, so qabl and ba'd. Now you say ba'dain, later. Later. Suppose I later. Suppose I eat later. I eat later. أنا أكل أنا أكل بعدين أنا أكل بعدين. I work later. I work later. أنا شغل أنا شغل بعدين. I will see you later. I will see you. I will see you later. أنا أنا أشوف أنا أشوف أنت أنا أشوف أنت أنا أشوف أنت بعدين. I see you later. أنا أشوف أنت بعدين. Okay. Now بعدين. بعدين. Okay. بعدين. Okay. بعدين means then. I drink. I I drink. I drink tea. Then I will work. I will work. Say أنا أكل. Sorry. أنا أشرب. أنا أشرب. أنا أشرب شاي. أنا أشرب شاي بعدين. Then بعدين بعدين أنا شغل. بعدين أنا شغل. أنا أشرب شاي بعدين أنا شغل. I drink tea then I will work. أنا أشرب شاي بعدين أنا شغل. فهمت؟ أيوة مظبوط مظبوط. Okay, so these are adverb of times. Okay, now okay, done. So now I write some adverb of place. Adverb of place. Okay, first right word here is gidam. Okay, here is what is front. Yeah, in front. In front. In front of, you can say gidam. 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 Okay, in front of gidam. For example, for example, for you can say eg. For example, say masalan. Masalan. For example, I am sitting. I am sitting in front. In front. I am sitting in front of the gate. In front of the gate. To say ana jalis قدام بوابة أنا جالس قدام بوابة. I am sitting in front of the gate. أنا جالس قدام بوابة. أنا جالس قدام بوابة. Okay, in front of. Okay, now in front of. Next word is behind. Behind is خلف. Adverb of place. Okay, خلف. Behind. Okay, so my car is behind the office. My car is behind. My car is behind the office. The office. Okay, my car سيارتي خلف. My car is behind the office. My سيارتي خلف مكتب. سيارتي خلف مكتب. سيارتي خلف مكتب. My car is behind the office. سيارتي خلف مكتب. Okay, now one more word you can say backside. 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 Backside you can also use this word warra. Warra. Suppose my house is backside of the masjid. My house is backside backside of the masjid of the masjid. Okay, so you can say baiti warra warra masjid. Okay, baiti warra masjid. My house is backside of masjid. Baiti warra masjid. Okay, so backside now is opposite. Okay, so continue to adverb of place. Opposite is mugabil. Mugabil. My office. My office is opposite. Opposite. Opposes. Opposite. Opposite Shalimar Hotel. Shalimar Restaurant. Okay, Shalimar Restaurant. My office is opposite Shalimar Restaurant. Maktabi. Maktabi Mugabil. Maktabi Mugabil. Maktabi Mugabil. Mat'am Shalimar. Mat'am Shalimar. Maktabi Mugabil. Mat'am Shalimar. My office is opposite Shalimar restaurant. Okay, done. Opposite. Mugabil. Now one more word is next to. Next to. Next to word is jump. 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 Next to. Okay. Next to. Okay. My shop. My shop is next to Khulud is a name. Khulud is a name. Khulud Pharmacy. Khulud for pharmacy. My shop is next to Khulud Pharmacy. To say my shop, Dukkani, Dukkani, Jamb, Dukkani Jamb, Saidaliya Khulud. Saidaliya Khulud. Saidaliya Khulud. Dukkani Jamb, Saidaliya Khulud. My shop is next to Khulud Pharmacy. Done? Fahim? Mazbur. So next to. Now, beside. Beside. Beside means bijanib. 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 Okay. So, bijanib. Okay. Yani Bakala. Suppose Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera. Suppose Al Jazeera grocery. Al Jazeera grocery shop. Al Jazeera grocery shop. Okay. Al Jazeera grocery shop is beside Al Jazeera grocery shop is beside Lulu. No, is beside uh, is beside the garden. Okay, is beside the garden. Al Jazeera grocery shop is beside the garden. Okay, so Bakala Al Jazeera. Bakala Al Jazeera. Bakala means grocery shop. Bakala Al Jazeera bijanib bijanib hadika. Bijanib hadika. Bakala Al Jazeera bijanib hadika. Okay, so Al Jazeera grocery shop is beside the garden. Okay, beside. Done. So these are adverb of times or adverb of place. Okay, so I hope you might have enjoyed this lesson and got it everything. If you have any question and doubt, you can comment. I will reply definitely. And I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. We'll see you in next lesson. Thanks for watching. Ma salama. See you in the lika. Have a nice day. Niharak Sa'id. Shukran. Niharak Sa'id. Ma salam.